In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the front bumper on a Mercedes-Benz W212 Facelift quickly and the right way. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, without any unnecessary talking. So even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's get started. First, open the hood. Along the top of the bumper, you'll find 3 Torx bolts. One is located on the right side, one in the center, and the last one is on the left side. To remove them, use a ratchet with the correct Torx bit. If you don't have a ratchet, you can also use a regular Torx screwdriver or any suitable tool. This is what they look like once they're out. Completely remove all 3 bolts. Make sure every bolt is fully removed before moving on to the next step. Next, you'll notice another mounting bolt on each side. These are 10mm bolts that also secure the upper section of the bumper. For easier access, use a ratchet with a long extension and a 10mm socket. Remove the bolt on one side first, then repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. Once both 10mm bolts have been removed, the upper part of the bumper will become loose, and you'll notice that it starts to move slightly. That's exactly what we want before continuing. Now it's time to work on the side mounts. To reach them, we first need to loosen the fender liner. Remove all of the screws, bolts, and clips holding the fender liner in place. As you can see in the video, all of the fasteners are clearly visible, so simply follow along. After removing the fasteners, gently pull the fender liner back to expose the inside of the bumper. Here you'll find 2 10mm bolts that connect the bumper to the front fender. These bolts are what hold the side of the bumper securely in place. Using your 10mm socket, completely remove both bolts. Once they're removed, carefully pull the side of the bumper outward. It should release quite easily from the guide near the headlight. Don't use excessive force. If every fastener has been removed correctly, the bumper will come off without much effort. Repeat the exact same process on the other side of the vehicle. Remove the fender liner fasteners, pull the liner back, remove the 2 10mm bolts, and carefully release the bumper from the side. After both sides have been loosened, move underneath the vehicle. Here you'll need to remove all of the bolts and plastic clips, securing the lower part of the bumper to the engine splash shield and the lower covers. Remove every fastener along the bottom edge. At this point, the bumper is almost completely free. Carefully pull the bumper straight toward you. Before removing it completely, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors for the fog lights. Here's what the connector looks like. Press the locking tab and unplug it carefully to avoid damaging the wiring. Once both connectors have been disconnected, the front bumper can be safely removed from the vehicle. And that's how you remove the front bumper on a Mercedes-Benz W212 Facelift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know if this guide helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.